Researchers at the University of California, Davis, have developed a method for more efficient and scalable production of allulose, a healthier sugar substitute. Allulose, also known as D-siccus, is a rare sugar found naturally in certain plant foods, and is around 70% as sweet as sucrose, but contains only 10% of the calories. The new method uses common gut bacteria Escherichia coli, E. coli, that have been genetically modified to convert glucose into allulose. This method achieved yields of 62% and a purity level exceeding 95%, making it more efficient than previous production methods. The process is sustainable, cost-effective, and can be scaled up using existing infrastructure, potentially advancing the commercial production of allulose. Allulose does not affect blood glucose or insulin levels, and could serve as a low-calorie sugar alternative for ultra-processed foods and other applications, such as sustainable pesticides and medicinally relevant monosaccharides. A UK study by University College London, UCL, has found a link between atrial fibrillation, AF, a common heart condition, and an increased risk of mild cognitive impairment, MCI. The study involved 4.3 million individuals from the UK's electronic health records, identifying 233,833 people with AF and 233,747 without the condition. Even after accounting for comorbidities and risk factors, the study revealed a 45% higher likelihood of developing MCI in individuals newly diagnosed with AF, who were not medically treated for it. MCI represents early-stage cognitive decline and can serve as an early warning sign of dementia-related diseases. AF is the most common treated arrhythmia and is characterized by irregular heartbeats, which can affect blood flow in the heart. Medications used to treat AF, such as digoxin, appear to influence the risk of MCI in individuals with AF. Confirmatory clinical trials may be needed to explore the link between AF and cognitive decline further. Airbus Helicopters has successfully tested a fly-by-wire system for its Airbus Next-Gen EVTOL prototype. The system simplifies helicopter controls by reducing them to a single joystick, replacing the traditional complex setup. The single joystick controls all primary flight functions, including takeoff, landing, climbing, descent, acceleration, deceleration, turning, and approach. This simplified control system is made possible through computer assistance and fly-by-wire technology. The system is designed to enhance pilot workload and mission safety, particularly in the context of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. Airbus aims to use this technology to prepare for the future of vertical flight and urban air mobility. Engineers at the University of Manchester have built and flown the world's largest quadcopter drone. The project aimed to inspire creativity in design by using alternative lightweight materials for aerospace structures, avoiding carbon fiber. To adhere to UK Civil Aviation Authority regulations, the drone was designed to weigh 24.5 kilograms, 54 pounds, just under the 25 kilograms, 55 pounds, limit that allows drones to fly without special dispensations. The drone's frame was constructed from 5mm, 0.2 in, thick foam board, which consists of a foam core with paper skin, laser cut, and hot glued together. The quadcopter measured 6.4 meters, 21 feet, from corner to corner, and as of the time of writing, there is no record of a larger purpose-built quadcopter drone in any weight class. While the project was a curiosity-driven venture, the use of unconventional materials for aerospace structures opens up possibilities for future lightweight and environmentally friendly designs. Scientists at Aalto University in Finland have developed a superhydrophobic liquid-like surface (LLS) using self-assembled monolayers (SAMs) on a silicon substrate. The SAM coating was able to achieve both superhydrophobicity and slipperiness, surprising the researchers. The SAM surfaces allowed water to flow freely between the molecules of the SAM at low coverage, facilitating easy water sliding. The sliding angles of the SAM surfaces can be as low as 0.01 degrees, making water run off almost any non-level surface. The SAM coating shows promise for applications in heat transfer, de-icing, anti-fogging, microfluidics, and self-cleaning surfaces. The researchers intend to further improve the SAM coating for various industrial uses, Ease-Eye is a monitor designed to reduce eye strain and fatigue using ambient backlighting. While it may be less bright than regular monitors, Ease-Eye aims to provide a more eye-friendly viewing experience. It relies on a design where circuit boards are located in a base, and the monitor splits in two like a book. The front section contains the LCD screen and LED light panel, while the back section serves as a reflector to capture and redirect ambient light from above. The monitor is a 24-inch, 1080p display with a max refresh rate of 75 Hz. And the ability to show millions of colors. It consumes 1/15 the power of a regular monitor, running on 5 watts of electricity. Ease-Eye costs $545, significantly less expensive than other low eye fatigue monitors on the market. It is currently available on Indiegogo and has exceeded its fundraising goal. Researchers have established a link between consuming fruits and vegetables and the diversity of the gut microbiome. The human microbiome plays a crucial role in health and has been linked to various conditions and diseases. Graz University of Technology conducted a study comparing bacteria in fruits and vegetables to the human gut microbiome, confirming the positive contribution of fruits and vegetables. The study cataloged microbiome data from 156 fruits and vegetables, comparing it with data from studies on human intestinal flora. The research revealed that fruit and vegetable-associated bacteria contribute to around 2.2% of overall bacterial diversity in the human gut. The findings emphasize the significance of good agricultural practices, as they affect the microbiota composition of fruits and vegetables. An international study is in progress, exploring individualized diets based on the unique microbiomes of different fruits and vegetables. Gogoro, a Taiwan-based e-mobility company, introduces the crossover smart scooter. Described as the first two-wheel SUV, the crossover is designed for off-road and challenging conditions with a high ground clearance of 14.2 centimeters. It features a new all-terrain frame designed for extra strength and stability. Powered by a 7.6 kilowatt liquid-cooled motor with 196 Nm of torque, it employs a low-maintenance flow-drive carbon belt instead of a chain. The scooter uses swappable battery units for a range of up to 150 kilometers before requiring a battery change. It offers a new smart suite with Bluetooth control features, app connectivity, LTE remote networking, and a synchronized braking system for improved braking performance. A flexible mounting system with 26 locking points allows users to attach various accessories for carrying cargo. The initial availability of the crossover is in Taiwan, which has a significant Gogoro battery swapping station network. Pricing details are not provided. Scientists from Caltech and WELLBEING discovered high levels of helium-3 in lava flows on Baffin Island in Canada. Helium-3 is a rare isotope of helium, usually found in the Earth's mantle and core, originating from the planet's formation. The ratio of helium-3 to helium-4 in the lava flows was 67 times higher than in the atmosphere. Isotopic ratios of helium, strontium, neodymium, and lead in the lava flows suggest the Earth's core as the probable source. Further research is needed to confirm if the Earth's core is indeed leaking helium to the surface, potentially offering insight into this hard-to-study region of the planet. Northrop Grumman introduces the Advanced Tactical Hostile Engagement Awareness (ATHENA) sensor system. ATHENA is designed to protect aircraft from the threat of heat-seeking, shoulder-fired missiles like MAMPIDs. MAMPIDs pose a significant threat to aircraft taking off from unsecured airfields, and ATHENA is designed to detect and respond to these threats. ATHENA is a staring sensor that provides a 360-degree view and combines multiple video feeds to increase resolution and range for threat identification. Unlike previous sensors, ATHENA includes its own data processors and operates on advanced software, reducing the burden on the aircraft's computing resources. The goal of ATHENA is to enhance aircraft survivability and situational awareness for the safety of warfighters.